What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today is day 11 of Vlogmas and this is going to be a nice simple short one because I'm running a little behind and this needs to be uploaded tonight. So what we're going to do is customize a stocking. We have a, what's it called? Custom stocking contest at work. So we all start with this basic stocking and this is not going to cut it for me. Anything that I want to do is not going to really cut it. So what I'm going to do is I have 3 pairs of jeans that I'm going to use and patchwork like a quilt kind of, and then sew it onto the stocking. So the stocking is still going to be my template. It's still going to be the liner. It's just not going to look like this. So let's just get straight into it. All right, yeah, so I got all the jeans cut out and laid out on the stocking how I want it. I think I want to keep this white strip kind of showing here, but I also think I want to add like a pocket on here to make it look like actual jean pockets, and maybe like a belt loop or a waistband on the top here as well. Haven't really decided, but at least I got my squares cut out, enough fabric for all of that. Now all I'm going to do is kind of sew this all together. I'm going to top stitch it as well, and then we're going to attach it to, I didn't think about it, but we're going to attach it to the stocking somehow. I'm not sure if I'm going to sew it on. I might just sew around it, do a top stitch around it, make it look clean. I haven't decided, but right now we're just going to sew all these patches together and then we're going to figure out the rest. Stick with me. All right, yeah, so I actually ended up not being able to post this yesterday. I had a huge family emergency last night, which I couldn't finish and couldn't post. So I'm upset about that, but anyways, I don't even want to talk about it. Anyways, we're going to finish this. I'm actually going to head over to my mom's house to finish it. I'm bringing everything over. Head over there. So you guys, it's going to be a different, because I'm still going to record. I got to make this video for you guys. So I have my squares. All I'm really going to do is sew all of these together, top stitch it, press it, and then I'm also going to attach it here. I am going to take off this belt or this waistband and then put that on here. All right, y'all, so we did get the stocking all finished. I didn't add as much as I really wanted to, but this is for work and I just didn't want to put that much work into it because I do all my work at work, you know, you feel me? So like, again, I took just some scraps from 3 pairs of jeans and turned it into a patchwork stocking. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, just make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.